Right side, please. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you? Well, everything is so glamorous and beautiful. Everyone's at their best. So yeah, I'm really looking forward. Unfortunately, I'm not attending the awards. I'm leaving because I have some prior commitment. So yeah, but it's so nice to be part of the Vogue family. I mean, I don't know about that. I just like doing my own thing as I'm feeling on the day. And like it's the first time I've put black nail polish, for example. But I just like doing my own thing, and I think following the trend is too boring. Most beautiful actor, actress, Deepika. She's ethereal, stunning. Sorry? Male, beautiful, I don't know. I love Shah Rukh Khan. I think only because he's super cool and he can just rock a t-shirt and a jeans and look fabulous. And I think he's getting hotter with age. I'm not in the film. I am not in Harry Met Sejal. Yeah, I'm really excited. Let's see. I loved Tamasha Imtiaz's earlier film, and yeah, let's see how this one is. But it's looking great. The songs are amazing, so really excited. Thank you, thank you. I don't know. This is the pose, everyone. If I triple fall, I'll be like,
Yeah, look here. On the right, please.
smile, you want to smile?
On your right. Ma'am, your right side.
On your right side.
Everyone left corner, every left corner.
On your right side. On your right hand side. Foundation. Never go wrong. One more nice one. These lights are very bright.
Ma'am, on the right side.
Your right side, please.
Do you have any questions? Good evening. I think it's a big step for them because they're turning 10. So it's a huge celebration, and I think beauty is always nice when it's awarded. And I hope that they're giving us awards for a lot more than beauty, because I think beauty with substance is the most interesting thing. My mom. My mom is a timeless beauty. Yes. I've already done TV. Everybody's following in my footsteps. सब मेरे पीछे जा रहे हैं. Yeah, I've just done a short film which we're taking to festivals. It's called Agnidha. And I've also done an independent film in New York. So that's going to be released. Okay, thank you. Somebody show me what's a Vogue pose? Okay, I'll tell you the most difficult pose I feel that all these models do so well. They do something like this and they hunch forward. And I'm like, I can't do the hunch. It looks too strange. Yeah, I have to just do my regular pose. काय? मराठीमध्ये बोला मला समजलं. Hi. Good evening.
Tell us something about your expectations from tonight.
Well, I'm expecting whoever I voted for and what I chose that they should win. So I'm doing judge duties today. So I was a judge in the Vogue Beauty this year. So it was a lot of fun, lots of lovely products to see. So I think it's going to be a lovely, fun evening. Well, I think there were so many, it's about beauty. So there's so many beauty products, so many different ranges. So it was a lot of fun and we got to try a lot of things, got to take home a few stuff. So it was good. I think obviously whatever little bit unique that they have about themselves. I think a lot of the products have been old ones which have been consistent over the years, which I think I voted for. I can give you a hint. Yes. Well, I'm very happy for them. Last year I won. So I'm happy this year there's going to be some ageless beauty going to be coming. So I wish them all the best. And it's always, I think, these beauty awards, Vogue Beauty Awards are very fun. It's about beauty, it's about fashion, it's about just being, fun and having a good time. More than the pressure about winning an award for a movie. Yeah? Okay. Thank you.
मुझे तो कुछ मिलने नहीं वाला है. But I'm here for Anahita Shroff. She invited me, so I'm here. I want to see who gets the most, the upcoming fitness icon this year. Yeah, I'm here for that. Yeah. Sorry? My mother. Not yet. No beauty advice for now. Yeah. I think Sonam is very beautiful. Yes. Yeah. Sorry? Not now, later. When I get a Vogue award, then I will. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. मैं सिर्फ खुश हूँ that I'm able to come to such an event where I think जब हम अंदर जाएंगे बहुत beautiful लोग हैं अंदर, women and men and everybody who's here is absolutely beautiful. It's a big bow. I'm like a present for you today. No, I'm just kidding. Style से भी मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं कि statement क्या है, लेकिन I always think that if you feel good in anything that you wear, then it's gotta look nice. Well, मैं और Daniel हम बहुत खुश हैं कि ये जो छोटी बच्ची है हमको choose किया, and we're very, very thankful to God for bringing this little girl into our life. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
अंदर नहीं मैं अंदर से नहीं आ रही, मैं यहाँ पे इंटरव्यूज खत्म करती हूँ, कुछ नहीं दे। It was really amazing. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मुझे संजू सर के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, और एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आई, really intense father-daughter story, so I had to do it, and it's been really amazing working with him and working with Umang sir and the team. अभी तो पहला पोस्टर आया, अभी बहुत है बाकी, ट्रेलर भी आएगा और पोस्टर्स आएंगे, but I think everybody is waiting for Sanju sir's comeback home. Yeah, so that's right. I'm wearing Basil Soda and Deepa Gurnani's earrings. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you, you're looking gorgeous as always. Hello, good evening everyone. Hi. Well, it's my first time here and I'm supremely excited. I've been dressed by the Vogue team and I feel like a princess. Very excited. जी आज मैंने टेम्पली लंदन का एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल गाउन पहना है. As I said, I've been styled by the Vogue team and I feel very bright and sparkly, I must say. हाँ जी. जी मैं nervous of course हूँ. It's my second film and it's a very special film for me. But at the same time very excited. It's a beautiful film and I'm sure people are really going to connect with it. Gee. Yeah, I mean, I'm actually very overwhelmed by the response Shubmangal Savdhan ka trailer got, and I want to thank everybody. It's a very quirky film, it's different, and it's extremely funny. It's a beautiful love story. Can't wait to see how people like it. So I think लोगों का मुझे compare करना बहुत ही natural है because in दम लगा के आयशा I was 30 kgs more than what I'm in Shubmangal Savdhan, and I think because it's Ayushman again, so it's very natural for people to compare it. But the good thing is that it's a good comparison, and the films are very different. So yeah, thank you. Yes, sure.
Yes. Is someone asking me something? Yes. Hi. Sorry? Oh, I'm very excited because I was one of the judges this year for the awards. So good to be a part of this in a way, in a judge capacity today. Hi. Sorry? Define. I mean, I think it fits the glitter theme perfectly, shining bright, and at the same time, I think it's very unconventionally sexy. Sorry? For me, sure, of course. I think that classic looks are one of my favorites, so I think this is one of those classic, you can't go wrong with it. Oh, I think Gayatri Devi is someone who I think is like stunning, and even her sense of style is something that I really love. Thank you. I would do B. Hello, how are you?
So the evening, like we see, is very glitzy, glamoury, and very sparkly. And I'm a part of the sparkly evening. Do I believe in beauty advice? I like to do what I'm comfortable with. So if I'm made to do something which I'm uncomfortable with, I don't believe in that advice. Vaida ji, Vaida Rahman. She'll always remain very graceful and very beautiful. So I always say that be comfortable in what you're wearing and you'll be happy. So just be comfortable. Thank you. Sorry? Thank you. Hello. How are you? Good?
Vogue has always acknowledged the leaders in the industry, and it's always been fun attending the Vogue Beauty Awards, from receiving to presenting to participating in it. It's a wonderful team, and yeah, it promises to be a good evening. I think it would be difficult to choose one most beautiful female actress, because I think all actresses are beautiful in their own way. So I wouldn't pick one person. Thank you.
Well, I'm wearing a Tariq Sinu, and yeah, and who are the earrings by? Huh? Mirari. The earrings are by Mirari. Jewelry is by Mirari. Sorry?
What are your parameters for beauty?
My parameters for beauty. Who are my parameters for beauty? Can I say? Who are my parameters for beauty? My name. Mera kya maapdand? What are my parameters for beauty? Isn't it a little I think it's a combination of everything. It's not just how you are on the outside. I think being a nice person also is beautiful. That's very important. Yeah, and it's a combination of everything. How you are, how you take care of yourself on the exterior and inside. Timeless beauty, Aishwarya Rai. I think she's really beautiful. Yes. My web series is going to be out on the 18th, and it's for Voot. It's really fun comic thriller, and had a lot of fun working on it. So I'm really excited for all of you to watch it. Thank you so much. Solo only. Thank you. Yeah? Hi. I feel very grateful because my first film is just out and Vogue is a big name, so I feel really happy and I'm very excited for the event. I've never been here, it's my first time, so I'm very excited.
And what are your
I love Priyanka.
Priyanka. Why? I love her. She's such a confident woman, and you know whatever she has done till now, she has done on her own, and everything about her, I love her. She's my idol. I'm wearing Nikhil Thampi, and I'm styled by Astha. Thank you. Hi. What's my timeless beauty? Makeup. My makeup. Oh. Actor? Or my mother. I feel my mother. She's very beautiful. What's a Vogue? Where should I strike? I'm not great with poses. You want a close up? Okay. Where? Always excited, especially for Vogue Beauty Awards. I've always attended them, and I want to know. I want to go inside because they've already started. I'm a little late, but really want to know who's winning what. Yeah. So this is this designer is human, and they're actually the winners of the Vogue Fashion Fund this year. So I thought it was kind of interesting to incorporate that into wearing them today. Also, I think the theme was shimmer and shine. So I thought since it's a beauty awards, why not incorporate shimmer and shine into my beauty look instead of my dress? So I've got the lips going on. Wait, careful. I think Kate Moss. She's still beautiful. So, Aishwarya Rai. Thank you. Yeah, that's okay. I'm sorry? Vogue pose?
It's not backless work. अच्छा वाला फोटो डालना ओके
right here. Take these along with you. I hate holding these. If you don't mind, that is, ma'am. Thank you.
अरे वाह सामने
No, he's running.
Thank you.
हाँ क्या ना दादा लवकर करा पण
Thank you.
अच्छा मैं आके दे दूं मेरे को अवार्ड देने वाले सर आके मैं लेके आ जाऊँ अवार्ड
Hello, what's up? Hi. You tell us about the evening. You've been here for longer. We've just arrived. एक तो तुम यार हर अवार्ड फंक्शन पे पूछते हो तुमको क्या अवार्ड मिल रहा है. The charm of an award function is not knowing what you're going to get and if you're going to get it. So you're here because you support the function. So we're very happy to be here and be invited by Vogue. They're bored of my words. Say anything.
Obviously, I'm very excited to be here and to be associated with Vogue. And we did this a couple of months ago. It was really exciting and it was a whole lot of fun going through all the products and all the different things that they made me try. And I had a really good time with the girls. So I'm here to just lend my support and have a good night.
I am also following her style. I'm also admiring her style. I'm also a fan.
There's no effort behind it. I mean, it's just I wear what I wear, and whether you like it, you don't like it, it's my style. And it's just what I'm comfortable in, what's me, it reflects me, and it reflects my personality. And
some days like this, I just have to match up to my star husband, so I have to dress up.
No, it's the
Otherwise,
other way round.
I would be here in jeans and
No,
t-shirt.
it's the other way around. My wife always feels I dress down too much. She says you are always in shorts and t-shirt. At some point, at least you should dress up. So these are the opportunities where I try and impress her a little bit.
ये आप लोगों ने बनाया है जिम अटायर. हम सिर्फ जिम जाते हैं और हम हर रोज जाते हैं because that's a routine. That's it.
For me, it's my wife. Don't call me a beauty.
No, but I mean, if I have to say actually timeless, then for me it would definitely be somebody like Madhubala. She is timeless.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
अवार्ड दे दूं? सॉरी. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अभी कोई भी आपको अवार्ड देता है तो अच्छा ही लगता है. एंड वो बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस मैगजीन है, तो उनसे ये मिलना बहुत अच्छी बात लगती है. मैं बहुत शाय हो जाता हूँ और ब्लश करने लगता हूँ जब ऐसा कुछ लोग देते हैं मुझे, बट अच्छा लगता है. बस खुशी होती है, बस वही कह सकता हूँ. हाँ जी. सबसे ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल, आई थिंक इतने ब्यूटीफुल एक्ट्रेसेस है. हमेशा से मुझे ऐश्वर्या राय बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगी और अभी मैं उनसे मिला भी अंदर, और अभी भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, तो मैं उनका नाम लूँगा. हाँ जी सर. सॉरी. गुड इवनिंग टू यू ऑल्सो सर. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू. I would give it to my mom actually, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा अपने ब्यूटिफिकेशन में नहीं लगता हूँ, बट मेरी मॉम हमेशा बोलती है कि ढंग के कपड़े पहन के बाहर जाओ, ये करो वो करो. सो बचपन से तो आई थिंक मैं मॉम को ही सारा श्रेय देता हूँ. और ऐश्वर्या राय डेफिनेटली. अब अभी तो फिल्म ख़त्म हुई है, तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उसके बारे में, क्योंकि अभी रिलीज़ के लिए कुछ महीने रह चुके हैं. 29 सितंबर को रिलीज़ होने वाली है फिल्म. अभी थोड़ा वक्त है प्रमोशन के लिए, तो बाद में आपसे बातचीत तो होगी नहीं. मैं नहीं चुन सकता हूँ, ये पब्लिक को चुनना चाहिए. बचपन में जब मैं दोनों गाने देखता था तो बहुत एक्साइट होता था, तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि मुझे दोनों गानों पर परफॉर्म करने को मिला. एंड अब जब ऑडियंस नया वीडियो देखेगी तो वो तय करेगी कौन सा बेटर. हाँ जी, देयर आर प्लान्स, एंड उनको केक खाने को मिलेगा. उनको हम लोग घर पे ज़्यादा केक देते नहीं है बिकॉज उनको डायबिटीज़ है, बट उनके बर्थडे पे भी करेंगे शुगरलेस केक, और उस दिन काफ़ी ट्रीट्स मिलेगी उनको. बट उनके बर्थडे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
I just like to thank Vogue. Actually, for 10 years, they've been very, very generous and trying to get me to come here and accept an award. And I somehow was not able to work it out in my schedule. So I'm glad I'm getting to celebrate their 10th anniversary and a decade with them, with such a lovely, sweet, well, overwhelming title. But it's really, really generous of them, and thank you. Thank you so much. सारे बाइक्स थे.